A new era begins in our beloved Egypt for a bright future. And in the line with this era, Ateco has begun the establishment of its new huge factory in Ain Sokhna for the manufacture of sterile intravenous pharmaceutical products. Ateco is the latest and largest factory in Egypt and the Middle East for the production of sterile pharmaceutical products using the latest international technology and under the requirements of manufacturing GMP, as well as the requirements of the Egyptian Ministry of Health, represented by the Egyptian Medicine Authority. The factory relies on the application of the high-tech systems in the central adaptation and air treatment within sterile production areas with a set of HEPA filters and the use of a closed system to achieve efficiency for each production area, as well as the number of times of air change inside it, controlling these areas with distinctive measuring devices for temperature, humidity, and pressure of production cases with a system that operates automatically through BMS program, and the entire project is controlled by EMS. Also, all requirements for firefighting and extinguishing systems that operate automatically like water, CO2, and foam have been observed. The project is equipped with a huge infrastructure consisting of a sophisticated and multi-stage water station with a total capacity of 1200 meters per hour. It produces intravenous water, WFI loops according to specifications, USP. There is also a station for the production of pure steam, as well as a huge network that feeds the entire project from stainless steel 316, which is used in WFI loop, PW loop, and PS loop. The solutions are prepared by controlling and moving automatically through SCADA system inside stainless steel tanks equipped with controlled systems, valves, and sensors that operate automatically according to the operating program, and with multi-stage solution filtration units. Ateco factory is also characterized by a high-speed production line with a BFS system, which is a specific closed system for manufacturing, filling, and closing bottles of intravenous medical solution in one step. And it produces intravenous medical solutions with different qualities of polyethylene and polypropylene. Our production lines are capable of producing intravenous medical solution bottles with rubber caps and in different sizes, starting from 100 milliliter through 500 milliliter and up to 1000 milliliter, which gives a vast diversity in products and covers the needs of customers and manufacturing. The most important stage in the manufacturing cycle comes the sterilization stage by using huge autoclaves, and then moving to the inspection and testing stages using the latest equipment in several stages, including the high voltage leakage test and pressure test to ensure quality. The transfer of the product to the packaging line works automatically, passing through the labeling stage of the product, where it is delivered through a laser device using the tracking system. And it ends automatically. Then we conclude the process through pelletizing. Ateco includes the largest central storage system, which operates by automatic shuttle satellite system by FIFO technique, and its total capacity is approximately 10,000 pallets. The construction of the Ateco factory came as a continuation of the development process and the wheel of construction in modern Egypt, and pair the directives of the political leadership that support encouraging investment for the private sector, especially in the medical sector and healthcare, as one of the economic system projects of the Suez Canal, where the modern geographical location of the project overlooks the largest ports based on the Red Sea. The port of Al Ain Sukhna, Dubai Global. The project was established on an area of 20,000 meters square and was equipped with huge facilities and infrastructure to accommodate all ambitious future expansions, especially sterile pharmaceutical products and high-tech products. The project consists of the administrative building, the production building of 2 floors, the central warehouse building, the service building, the boiler building, the electricity and gas station for the project, the service rooms, the project's central control room, and the firefighting room. The project also serves 5 major elevators for individuals and goods. The choice of the name Ateco is named after the Ateco family, the founder of the group. The group was established in 1985. Had a long history in this field by inaugurating its first factory in Abu City and then in strategic partnership with major Japanese companies specializing in this field. We are proud of what we have achieved in Ateco, and it will always be a history of success.